some more supplementary, Mr. Speaker, sir. As we know the fact that we have heard that the government have planned to estimate multi-dimensional poverty by empower women to become lakpatis, DDs, which I will quote our Honorable Chief Minister had mentioned this, which means a woman should earn minimum of rupees 1 lakh annually. Just a matter of 10,000. Do you think that they will come lakpatis? I don't believe. So, as what I'm reminding myself, that poverty is not that we cannot provide the poor, but it is because we cannot satisfy the rich. May I translate in Khasi? Ka Jingduk kamdei namar ka Bamla ban Pynbiang ya kibaduk. Henry kadei namar ka Bamla ban Pynhun ya Riewspah. May I get clarification, sir?